Welcome guys, so today we're going to play some Hive Skywars, but the only catch is if I lose, the video ends. So don't be mad kung mabilis lang matapos tong video na to because baguhan pa lang naman ako and for fun lang naman tong video na to. And ano nga pala, pag nasa top 3 considered yun as a win. So yeah, let's start the video. First game, let's go. Please manalo tayo. Sana naman hindi agad matapos ng video na to. Huwag niyo ako pahirapan. Okay. Masyadong madami. I need something good. Okay, let's go. Okay, may rusher na agad. Okay, muntikan pa ako mahulog. Nangangamoy talo ah. Oh my god. Nabol ba tayo? Kailangan ko ng chest plate. Nice. Pants. Thank you. Oh. Ano ba yan? Give me something nice, boots or anything. Okay. Kailangan ko na ng good, Kailangan ko na. Oh, nice. Nice. Helmet na lang kulang sa atin. Uy. Yan na. Rush na natin to. Oh, my aim. Goodbye. GG's. Helmet, please. So, dalawa na lang kami. So, nasa top 3 ako. So, panalo na to. May next round pa tayo. Give me helmet. Ayaw talaga nila magbigay na helmet, so that's fine, I guess. Yun na siya. Oh. Ay! What am I doing? Bro. Wait. Wala akong helmet. Oh, tumakbo siya. Okay. I need some redstones. I need extra hearts. Nope. Okay. So, wala pa rin akong helmet. Ano ba yan? Yo. Okay, so we won. Let's go. GG's. So, panalo tayo sa first round. We won our first round. Yeah. So, yeah. May next round pa tayo. Okay, second round. Let's go. Sana panalo tayo para may third round pa and tumagal pa yung video natin. Snowball, nice. Kailangan ko na maganda sword. Oh, ang dami nating snowball, guys. Sword. Nice, okay lang. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. Useless. Let's go. So far, walang nagra-rush ng middle. Meron na. Please. Pants. Okay. Oh my god. Boy. Nope. Matatalo ako dito. Huwag mo kabulin. Apple. Nice. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like the video kung nag-enjoy kayo. Sorry kung natalo agad ako. And that's it. Maybe sa video ulit na ganito, mas tumagal pa yung video natin. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like the video kung nag-enjoy kayo. Bye.